What is low stomach acid? Your stomach acid isn't just for breaking down food, it's essential for nutrient absorption, fighting infections, and proper digestion. Reasons for low stomach acid: chronic stress, poor diet, processed or sugary foods, aging, overuse of antacids or proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, infections like H. pylori. Root causes of low stomach acid: 1. Imbalances in gut microbiota. 2. Nutrient deficiencies, e.g., zinc. 3. Underlying conditions like hypothyroidism or SIBO. 4. Chronic inflammation. Myths about low stomach acid. Myth: acid reflux is caused by high stomach acid. Truth: it's often due to low acid causing improper closure of the esophageal sphincter. Myth: more acid is always bad. Truth: balanced acid is essential for digestion and immunity. Home remedies to support stomach acid levels. 1. Natural ways to support your digestion. 2. Drink warm lemon water before meals. 3. Add a pinch of sea salt to meals. 4. Try diluted apple cider vinegar before eating. 5. Chew your food thoroughly. Functional medicine approach to low stomach acid. Testing for root causes, managing stress for improved vagus, restoring nutrient levels like zinc and B vitamins, supporting digestion with targeted supplements. Special tips for boosting stomach acid naturally. Avoid drinking large amounts of water during meals. Eat mindfully, no phones or distractions. Include fermented foods like sauerkraut. Don't skip meals. Regular eating keeps acid balanced. Work with a professional for persistent symptoms. Thanks for watching, likes and comments, and do subscribe.